gonna be alright, it's gonna be.
Hey,
Konnichiwa,
I'm Taran.
and I'm Makoto.
Together we've been travelling the world for the last few years.
We've lived in Japan, Southeast Asia, New Zealand, Australia, America, and most recently, Fiji.
But now we found ourselves in the UK with a 30-year-old motorhome.
So join us as we document the ups and downs of full-time van life.
Here on No Matter How Far. Woo. Hey everyone, good evening.
Good
It's Taran and Makoto again. No Matter How Far here. The van's finished. So this is going to be our first proper night in it.
In it.
It's going to be our first night in it. We're gonna oh, you can kind of see a little bit of it. We're gonna keep it a secret until we wake up in the morning, and then we'll do some nice shots around and give you a really cool look at how it's all looking, because it's still a little, maybe I can show you. Maybe there's still just a lot of crap everywhere. We're sorting it all out. We've just basically moved in today, so we're going to sort it all out, and then we'll show you what it looks like in the morning.
We're gonna do a beauty shot.
We're going to do a beauty shot.
It took us how long? 3 months?
Yeah, it's March, January, February, March, yeah. So we were expecting to get the motorhome, spend a week or two painting it, and then move in. But as you can see, as you've probably seen in the previous videos, it took a little bit longer.
3 months. But finally, it's ready. So,
We'll see you in the morning. Roll the beauty shots.
we finished all the wallpapers. As you can see, we put the rainbow bricks on the head part of the bed and just completed all the wallpapers. It's all filled up. It's all covered up.
It's all covered up.
Excuse my English.
Give it up, it's gonna be alright.
And we have a little jungle up the top here. This is our
Ivy?
jungle. A little fake ivy to make it look cool. So we're not really sure what our plans are, where we're going to go. I think we're just going to wing it and just choose somewhere and just go there. We really don't have any plans.
If you have any suggestions where would be a great place to visit, please comment. Hello.